Alright guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at a very slim Magsafe battery pack that's going to be Qi2 5000 milliamp hours, but it's so thin and compact that it makes carrying it such a breeze. And we are going to take a look at the brand new Pitaka Qi2 Magsafe battery pack. Now, huge shout out to Pitaka for sending this over to me to review for you guys. The price on this is $69.99 on Pitaka's website, but if I can find it on Amazon, I'll link that down below. A lot of times things will be cheaper on there, but of course all links are down in the description below for you guys to check out for yourself. So taking a look at the packaging, here it does say Pitaka Qi2 Aramid Fiber Magnetic Power Bank, which is what it's called. The Aramid Fiber, 5000 milliamp hour battery capacity, 15 watts fast wireless charging. Then on the back, you got a little more information right there. So taking it out of here, you are greeted right with your battery pack. And then in here, you just get a little instruction manual. Now, this is not going to come with a USB-C charging cable, so that is something you'll already have to have, which I do wish for the price this did come with a charging cable, but you get what you get. So moving all the packaging off to the side, let's take a look at the battery pack. Now, starting off on the back, you're getting this Aramid fiber material right here, and it does have a very slight texture on there, and you are going to get some Pitaka branding. Now on the back, of course, you're going to get your MagSafe and alignment magnets right there, and down here, you can't see them yet, but there are going to be five LEDs actually. 4 for battery capacity, so it tells you how much battery is left on the battery pack, and 1 that's a charging indicator. Now, just taking a look around the sides, on the top, you're just completely empty right there. On the left-hand side, you have all your warnings and stuff, and then you do have your button right there. This is going to be that power button. On the bottom, just your USB Type-C port. Now, this is going to be in and out, so you can use this to charge the battery pack as well as to use this as a wired charger to charge other devices. And on the right, you just get a little bit more information right here. So let's go ahead and just turn it on so I can show you guys the LEDs, right? They're very faint, so you're going to get 4 LEDs, 0 to 25%, 25 to 50%, 50 to 75, and 75 to 100% right there, so that way you know what your battery capacity is. Now, one thing I wish is that this was maybe on the bottom or on the side, just because when you are actually having it connected to your phone, it's not going to show you what your battery capacity on there is. So that is definitely something that I'd like to see move, just so it's a little bit easier to kind of gauge where you're at with the battery capacity quickly while you're charging without having to remove this from the phone to check that. So that's kind of really like one of the only downsides that I have about this that I'd love to see fixed. But let's go ahead and bring over our iPhone here and attach that. Now it's going to immediately start charging as soon as you do attach it. No need to click any buttons or anything like that. And this is going to be fast wireless charging. As you guys can see, we are charging right there, and this is what it's going to look like. So super thin, low profile. Let's actually go ahead and take this off and let's just weigh it. I should have did that before putting it on the phone, but let's just weigh this thing and see what we are talking about. So in grams, we're looking at 117 grams. And then measurement-wise, it's going to be 8.6 millimeters thick. So this thing is very nice and thin, super lightweight. 117 grams for an extra battery is really not that bad. Now, at 5,000 milliamp hours, what is this going to give you if you're using an iPhone 16 Pro Max? Well, what you're going to get is about so obviously you have your iPhone's battery, so from 100 to dead, and then from dead to about 60 to 61% you will get from this battery pack on a 16 Pro Max. Now, I don't have a 16 Pro, so I can't tell you what those times will be on that or any other phones, but on the 16 Pro Max, that is what it's going to be. And it's going to get you there in about 2.5 hours, like 2 hours, 33 minutes. So really not bad. Because of that Qi2, you're getting the full 15 watts of wireless charging. And when you do plug this in, you can get up to 20 watts of wired charging. So let's just move all of this off to the side. And like I said, this is what you're looking like when it is on the phone. It is super nice and thin right there. Everything is nice and compact. And that's one thing I really love about this battery pack is that you can put it in your pocket, your purse, your sling bag, your carry-on bag, anything of those sorts. And it's not super fat and bulky. So like when you put it in your pockets, it doesn't feel, there are some battery packs out there that are really thick and you definitely feel them. Well, that's one thing you don't really feel, especially for 5,000 milliamp hours. You don't really get too much of a thicker phone on there. So that's really nice. Of course, you're getting really good MagSafe strength here, so you're going to be just fine when it comes to that. You can use it in a sideways form if you really want to as well. Let me make sure that I am still charging right there. Yes, we are. And then, of course, if you turn it sideways, you can see. Now, there is a fifth LED indicator that is blue. Kind of tough to see, but that basically is a charging indicator. So that means when it's charging, it's solid. Then when you take it off, what's going to happen is it's going to blink a few times by itself. And then after a few times of it blinking, it's going to auto power off. So you never actually even have to click that button unless you just want to go ahead and see what your battery percentage is at. Now, for all my Android people out there, of course it's going to work with your Android devices. So what you can do is if you have a MagSafe case like I do, you can just go ahead, attach that right there, and it's going to say that you are fast wireless charging. So you know that that is Qi2, and it is going to give you, see, you can kind of, on the S25 Ultra, see how fast it'll take until it gets to full, and mine is at 15% currently. So one other thing that you have here is you can dual charge. So let's say I want to connect this right here to my iPhone, right? And then so that we're charging right there. I'm going to go ahead and bring over a cable. Like I said, this one unfortunately does not come with a cable. Pitaka, if you guys are listening, especially for the price, please throw a cable in there. A nice USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable would go a long way in the packaging here. But anyways, what we can do is go ahead and plug that in. And now we can plug it into the Ultra here. And there we go. And of course, what we can do is go ahead and take that and charge the iPhone up as well, just like this, wired. So you're going to be good to go really no matter which way you decide to use this MagSafe battery pack. I really like a nice thin battery pack. Now, there's also ones that are 10,000 milliamp hours. Of course, they're going to be a little bit thicker than this 5,000 milliamp hour one, just to show you guys right here how we are looking. There we go. This is going to be an Anker 10,000 milliamp hours. This is their slim version. But if you're somebody who just needs a little bit of additional battery power, you may not need a whole 10,000 milliamp hours. This might be all you really need to carry around with you. And that's something that I've been doing. If you guys saw, very recently I released an EDC video just a couple of days ago. This is in my everyday carry right now. I actually use this battery pack. I carry it because most of the time, my phone charges overnight. So I charge it, nighttime from full, dead to full, whatever. I take it off, and throughout the day I use it. Right around, maybe 5 or 6 p.m., I throw this on. Couple of hours, it gets me right back up to where I need to be. If I'm at like 15%, this thing will get me up to 70 or so percent, and then I'm good for the rest of the day with no worries. Now, just to compare these two, I know this video is a little bit long for just a battery pack, but I just want to show you guys the weight difference. So like I said, this one was what, 117 grams? Comparing it to the Anker Qi2 10,000 milliamp hours, you're looking at 206 grams. So it's noticeably heavier. It's definitely thicker, as you guys can see, like I showed you earlier, definitely thicker. So that may not be what you need at 10,000 milliamp hours. 5,000, plenty enough to get you throughout the rest of your day when you need. Now, real quick, let's just talk about heat. This thing is really thin. So is it going to heat your phone up? Not much. I have not noticed too much of a difference between this one as opposed to my Anker battery packs, the 10,000 milliamp hour thin one, or even the one with the screen. Haven't really noticed too much of a heat difference. But if you take this and you do put it on like your couch or anything like that, just like any other MagSafe battery pack, it's going to heat up. So what I've been doing is I've either just been leaving it on a flat surface, or I'll attach it and just kind of lay it down on its screen right there, and you get basically no heat from that. But it's thin, so it's got a lot to work with in a small package. So when you do put it, on your couch or in a blanket or something, it definitely will heat up a little bit, but it's never been too uncomfortable to where I'm worried about my phone's battery or worried about it overheating. Of course, it is going to have some overheat protections. But all that being said, let me know what you guys think about the Pitaka Qi2 MagSafe battery pack down in the comments below. I love it. It's been in my EDC. It's going to stay in my EDC for a while. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you. And if you guys want to see my review of one of the Anker 10,000 milliamp hour Qi2 MagSafe battery packs, mouthful, I'll leave that right there. And if you want to see that EDC video, my everyday carry for summer 2025, I'll leave that video right here.